Hello and welcome, friends, to this video on basic electrical and electronics. In this session, we begin with Unit 1, Elementary Electrical Concepts. Our today topic is Fundamentals of Electrical System. Let's get started. In this video, we will learn the basics: current, voltage, power, and energy. These are the core electrical quantities that form the foundation of everything in electrical engineering. Electric current is the flow of electric charge through a conductor, such as a wire or a circuit. It occurs when there is an electrical potential difference between 2 points, creating a movement of electrons. The more the charge flows is equal to the higher the current. Now, there are two main types of current: direct current and alternating current. Direct current, or DC. Here, the flow of electrons is constant and moves in one direction only. Alternating current, or AC. In this case, the flow of electrons reverses direction periodically. DC is used in batteries, while AC is used in household power supply. The formula for current is I is equal to Q divided by T, where I is the current in amperes, Q is the charge in coulombs, T is time in seconds. So, current is just how much charge flows in a given time, and the unit of current is the ampere, or simply amp. Next, we have voltage. Voltage is the energy required to move a unit charge from one point to another. In an electric field, it's like the pressure that pushes the electric current through the wire. The formula for voltage is V is equal to W divided by Q, where V is voltage in volts, W is work done or energy in joules, Q is charge in coulombs. So, voltage tells us how much work is done to move the charge, and the unit is the volt. Moving on to electric power. Power is the rate at which energy is consumed or generated in a circuit. It tells us how fast the electrical work is happening. Power is calculated using the formula P is equal to V times I, where P is power in watts, V is voltage in volts, I is current in amperes. So, more the voltage and current, higher the power, and the unit of power is the watt. Now let's talk about electrical energy. This is the total amount of work done by electric current over a period of time. It's the actual consumed energy we pay for in our electricity bills. The formula for electrical energy is E is equal to P times T is equal to V times I times T, where E is energy in joules or kilowatt hours, P is power in watts, T is time in seconds or hours. For practical usage, we measure energy in kilowatt hours or kWh. Now let's quickly revise the relationships. Power is voltage times current, energy is power times time. In short, P is equal to V times I, E is equal to P times T. Simple and powerful formulas that are used everywhere in electrical systems. And that's it for today's session on the fundamentals of electrical system. In the next video, we'll explore more electrical concepts and build your understanding step by step. So, do like, share, and subscribe for more easy to understand videos on electrical and electronics topics. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.